Hi folks, it's Luciano Ferson back again. I'm not here to show you plants today, but since it's a chili group, I thought best leave some of them in the video. So there you go, that's all the plants you're getting today. What I am here to show you is one of these things. It's an electrical conductivity meter. You get them off eBay or just about anywhere. They cost around about £5-6. Very useful thing to have. I'll show you why. I live in the northeast of the UK. And I live in a hard water zone. If anybody doesn't know what that is, you get hard water, you get soft water. It goes off a little reading called the KH, not the pH, the KH. But what this meter does is it measures parts per million of anything dissolved within the fluid. And this is my tap water, 566 parts per million. It's as strong as a weak feed, and that comes out the tap direct. This stuff here is rainwater, and if I just give that a little belt, clear the last one off first, and if I give that a little belt and measure it, it should be 0, but it won't be, because it was collected off my roof and it's ran down a drain pipe and picked bits up, but it's only 20 parts per million, which is nothing. So rainwater, brilliant stuff if you can get hold of it. If you can't get hold of enough rainwater, because sometimes we have dry spells in the UK, believe it or not. Not very often, but it does happen. This stuff is distilled water, and this stuff should measure in at bang on 0. It won't, because there'll be a little bit in that dish and it'll have dissolved some of that up. Oh, we'll just hold that. Even with the dirty dish, it's still only 1 part per million, which is brilliant. What that means is I can put more feed in, so I raise my level up to around about 800 if it's a young plant, or 1200 if it's an old plant. A little bit higher if it's flowering. If I use my tap water, I wouldn't get much feed in before it already hit 800. You could see there it was 566 to start with. Anyway, that was an introduction into the EC meter and why it's important. If you'd like to know more about water chemistry, just click like to the video and subscribe. I might do a video on the explanations of KH, pH, GH and all the other little bits. That's quite interesting, and the effects of temperature on water's pH. Depends how deep you really want to go. But if not, I hope you've enjoyed the video anyway. Another little view of some plants. Please do subscribe, and thank you for watching.